Let's start with Nifty 1 hour time frame. A little, I think it was a really easy day today. So basically, what happened was in the morning, Nifty broke 30th candle low, which was this low, and once it broke that, it gave a slight pull back towards VWAP, and then it was a short from there for a new low. So in the analysis, I had given a trade around 130 or 145 that I will look for a sell opportunity below 2 o'clock. This was a reference, visual reference, and my stop loss will be 2 o'clock high. Same thing happened. This is today's 15-minute Nifty chart. So Nifty, when once broke 2 o'clock low, gave a new low as target, and stop loss was 2 o'clock high. Even though we had a lot of volumes in the morning, this pullback and new low was the trade for today. So no trade taken before 2 o'clock, only this trade was taken. Banknifty I didn't really trade, was only looking to trade Nifty today. But yeah, so in my yesterday's video I had mentioned two things can happen. Either it can go to 18300 ish levels, or it can come back, and it did come back. So now I will probably be bearish till today's high is taken out with volumes, because today we had a lot of volumes in the morning in Nifty.